Hi everyone, I'm Julie Schiffman, and if you are starting to feel a little bit stir crazy at home, you are not alone. If you're an introvert, you might actually enjoy it, but even those who like to be homebodies may be finding this time really challenging, especially if you have a full house 24/7. Emotions are running high, and the troops might be feeling restless, crabby, irritable, upset. Everyone has different feelings about what's going on in the world right now, and as we all know, every person might handle it differently. It can be really hard to be stuck at home with nowhere to go and no outlet for how you're feeling. So let's do some tapping to help you to feel calmer around all of the circumstances. And as always, please remember to take responsibility for your own emotional and physical well being. And we'll start tapping. So, tapping on the side of the hand, repeat after me. Even though I'm sick of being stuck at home, I'm feeling stir crazy. After a week or so into this, I accept myself and I'm open to relaxing now. Even though I'm going out of my mind. I don't like being at home all the time. I certainly don't like being told I have to be home all the time. I accept this situation right now because I have no choice. And I'm choosing to find something good in this. Even though I don't know how long this is going to last. Some people say a couple of weeks. Some people say longer. I have so much anxiety about this. And I can't go anywhere. I'm open to letting go. I'm letting myself settle into this new normal and relaxing now. And we're going to tap through the points, starting on the top of the head. I can't take this. I am sick of being at home. I know it's the right thing to do so that we can be healthy and get on with our lives. But seriously, for how long? I'm going stir crazy over here. If I have younger kids, I may be losing patience more than normal. I hate to admit it, but it is not easy being home with them every day. I love them, but I'm just being honest. This is really hard. Especially if I have to monitor their schooling as well. Maybe I have older kids who are getting crabby, ornery, and bored. They're missing their friends. Well, guess what, kids? I miss my friends too. How long will this last? I just don't know how long I can do this. I'm open to accepting this situation right now. I have no choice. I'm doing what I can to flatten the curve, as they say. But if everyone is home with me, emotions might be running high. And not everyone knows how to handle their emotions. So there might be more yelling. more anxiety, more stress than usual. I'm really trying to hang in there, but it's hard. And I just need a break. I got to get out of here. But even when I think I can't do this anymore, I feel like I can't do this one more day, I can. And I will. And it will be okay. Because I can do hard things. It'll be okay. I can do hard. And I can do this. And I'm open to changing the way I feel about this. Because anger, fear, and stress won't help me out here. It'll only make it worse. So I'm open to relaxing about this now. Maybe I can step outside my front door and breathe in fresh air. I can tap. I can find things to do to help me through this. This will pass. It just will. I know this is hard right now. And it's challenging me, big time. But I'm okay. We are all in this together. I am not alone in this. And when it does pass, I'll be more resilient than ever before. I'm pulling from strength and courage. I know how to do that. I know how to access my courage. I know how to access strength. My family might be driving me nuts. But in the end, we might be closer. I am relaxing now. Taking a time out if I need to. Feeling calmer and more relaxed. As I let go of the stress right now. And breathing. Tap your wrists together and say peace. Take a big deep breath in and let it go. Good job. Feel free to tap along to this video as many times as you might need to, and feel free to share it with others if you know other people who are feeling the same way, and I'm sure that there are. I know this isn't an easy time right now. It's not easy for any of us, but remember that tapping can help you feel better in moments, and when we start to feel better, we make better choices, better decisions, we treat other people better, we treat ourselves better. So keep tapping. It only works if you use it, and stay calm, stay healthy, and please stay home.